Introducing Vision Plus Operational Solutions, a set of tools designed around the workflow and planning needs of today's collision repair center. BASF understands the challenge of running your shop efficiently while keeping your customers happy. The tools offered through Vision Plus Operational Solutions are tailored to improve repair processes and procedures, decreasing cycle times and improving shop flow. Our marketing services promote your brand and bring cars to your door through custom website solutions and social media and marketing campaigns. BASF wants everyone to know what makes your repair center stand out. By implementing Vision Plus process solutions, your shop productivity and efficiency will improve, dramatically increasing touch time and reducing cycle time, delivering cars to your customers quicker. BASF partner programs give you access to negotiated discounts on leading-edge equipment and tool technologies. Each item is selected for its ability to significantly reduce cycle times and increase efficiencies when used with BASF products. We deliver turnkey solutions that save time and money and increase your shop's capacity. As your business grows, our facility planning services can assist in managing site planning, new construction, remodels and additions, and new equipment purchases. When your shop footprint and movement are thoughtfully planned, earning potential reaches new levels. From advertising and digital marketing services to managing the entire back end of your shop and improving paint room efficiency, BASF Vision Plus Operational Solutions engages and optimizes every area of your collision center. To learn more about Vision Plus Operational Solutions, contact your local BASF sales rep or visit the BASF Refinish website today.